Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to discuss with you why I always wear cotton gloves when handling silver in my videos. Now for those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you'll see that you'll never see my hands touching silver. I've always got these black cotton gloves on. Now a few people have asked me where I've got these gloves from, and I've literally just ordered them on eBay. I typed in black cotton gloves on eBay and that's where I got them from. My original pair I actually got from like a jewellery shop, I believe, a long time ago. But these ones I've replaced them with, I just literally got on eBay. But the problem you have with these gloves is they really show up the bits of fluff and stuff like that. So if you've got the white gloves, they don't show up all these little bits of fluff and hairs and stuff like that. So I do actually prefer white cotton gloves when I'm handling coins. However, the black ones just look better with this red background that I'm using. So that's the only reason I wear the black gloves. Another reason I wear the black gloves is because I noticed that most stacking YouTube channels wear the white gloves. So it was a way of kind of differentiating my channel and kind of looking a bit different. So yeah, that's the main reason I wear the black gloves, purely because it looks better against the red and just so it makes my channel stand out. Now, in terms of handling silver, I don't actually like to handle silver in gloves. Now, I will always handle proof coins if I take them out the capsules and out the boxes wearing cotton gloves. However, with this bullion silver, I much more prefer just to touch it with my skin. And that might be a bit controversial. I'll be interested to hear in the comments your thoughts on that. I know some people don't like to touch silver at all. They think that it encourages the milk spots and they just don't like fingerprints on their coins. However, for me, I really like the feel of the silver in your hands. I like the sound of silver when you're playing around with it. And like I said, when you've got bullion coins, I haven't got any issue with handling them without gloves, because in my eyes, bullion is bullion. It's the silver content that matters. These aren't limited editions. They're not limited mintage. They're not proof coins. Yes, they look very nice, and I do think they look better without fingerprints all over them. However, if you're handling coins carefully, and what I mean by carefully is on the sides, then you shouldn't be getting fingerprints all over the coins anyway. So I would be very interested to see your thoughts on touching silver. Do you always wear cotton gloves and touching silver, even if it's bullion? Do you never wear gloves? I see some stacking channels and they never wear gloves. Even on some of the proof coins, they just take them out and they carefully touch them on the sides. Like I said, for me personally, it's all about the branding of the channel. I just think it makes my channel stand out because there's not many people out there wearing black cotton gloves. And also, like I said, it looks better against the the red background, and that's the main reason. And also, if my hands are dirty from work, it means I don't have to scrub them before I can do a video. I don't have to make sure my nails are all nice and clean. I can just literally chuck the gloves on and start recording. So that's another reason why I like wearing gloves. But in terms of touching silver, I have no problem with touching silver. And like I said, I actually prefer to touch silver without gloves on because it's just really nice to play around with. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. I know this might be a bit controversial. I might really annoy people by touching this silver, but for me, this is bullion silver. I really enjoy silver. I enjoy just playing around with it. I enjoy stacking it, and I have no problems touching silver without cotton gloves. And like I said, unless it's a proof coin. So yeah, let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. I'm interested to hear your thoughts. Do you wear cotton gloves when touching silver, or do you not wear any gloves at all? As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.